Can you believe it's already the end of 2023? Where does the time fly? If you wonder, what did I accomplish this year? Was it even good and productive? What will 2024 bring me? How do I make sure I follow my dreams and get there? Is it possible to create an extraordinary year? If any of these questions resonate with you, join my workshop. I will be running 2 workshops. One will be December 21st, which is a Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the second one, January 7th, which is a Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time. It will be a 90-minute video conferencing workshop. During the first part, I will guide you through completing your year with satisfaction and realization of what you have done and what you have not done. You will have an opportunity to complete the year with a sense of peace. During the second part of the workshop, I will walk you through exercises to create the next year. You will be able to create a year that will have your dreams aligned with your goals. At the end of the workshop, I will share with you an opportunity that you would have to work with me to make sure that your goals are actually get accomplished in 2024. Hi, my name is Marina James. I'm a behavioral therapist and life and business coach. I help people complete their past with great results. However, my passion is helping you getting to your future by providing clarity, goal setting, and tools to get you there. To get into the workshop, DM me here or send me an email at marinaj@coachmarinajames.com with subject workshop. Hope to see you there.